Hey everyone, welcome back to this Thursday weekly update. Today is Thursday, May the 21st. This is a series where we like to show you things you expect to see from us here at Fort Worth Fabric Studio. This week we opened quite a few boxes, so I hope you're prepared for that. And without further ado, let's get right into the video. And that does it for this week. I want to thank you all so much for watching and checking this video out. Everything that I can find that you saw in this video will be linked in the description below, so go check on those links. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button, subscribe if you're new here yet, and hit the bell next to it so you get notified when we upload. Just hit us up with any comments. I try my best at responding. I know sometimes I don't, but I'll try my best. So other than that, we'll see you next week.